Hi, this is Megha Malhotra, and I am currently going to walk you through regarding the horizontal and vertical scaling and what are the best practices which should be used for a scalable system. So let me walk you through the contents of this PPT which I have prepared. So in case of higher load, there can happen the system has to be scaled up so that more number of users or concurrent users are able to access the application. So in that case, we can have two types of scaling which can be done. One is horizontal scaling and one is vertical scaling. So let me walk you through first through the vertical scaling. So vertical scaling is adding more number of resources to the current system, like 8 GB RAM can be increased to 16 GB, then it can be increased to 32 GB. Up to a certain limit, it can be increased, but beyond that, it cannot be increased. It may help to implement the changes in the system, and more capacity can be introduced in the system, but it cannot increase after a certain limit. So there are no more major code changes required for this, and it is easy to manage because it is on the same system. We are increasing the memory or CPU and uh, scaling up the system. Other than that, we can also go for horizontal scaling. So in horizontal scaling, what we do is we will add different number of VMs, and more number of requests can be routed to different VMs at the same time. So this is more proficient and efficient way of using scalable systems, and more concurrency can be achieved in this. And by using load balancers also, we can actually help to increase the efficiency of the system by distributing the request to different VMs. And the advantages are it's highly scalable, better fault tolerance, and cost effective at scale. So the right choice for any system I would suggest is like we have horizontal scaling which should be used because most of the requests can be routed systematically to different clusters. But in case of vertical scaling, we have some limitations which cannot be executed with all the systems. So thanks. Have a nice day. If you like it, please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.